Day, welcome to News Express. Nigeria is witnessing growing outrage and national shock following the horrifying abduction of dozens of students and teachers in Oyo State, after armed bandits attacked multiple schools, kidnapped children and staff members, and allegedly beheaded one of the hostages in captivity. The incident has now escalated into one of the most disturbing security crises in the Southwest in recent years, triggering nationwide condemnation, emotional protest, and urgent calls for stronger security action from both the federal and state governments. The attack occurred on May 16 in Oriri local government area of Oyo State, when heavily armed gunmen stormed 3 schools: Community Grammar School, Baptist Nursery and Primary School, and LA Primary School, abducting teachers, pupils, and students during the operation. According to official updates from Governor Seyi Makinde, 7 students were kidnapped from the community secondary school, while 18 children and 7 teachers were adopted from the First Baptist Primary School and Nursery School. The governor also confirmed that at least 1 person was killed during the assaults. Public anger intensified dramatically after a viral video surfaced online, allegedly showing one of the kidnapped teachers being beheaded by the abductors. The victim was later identified as Michael Oyedokun, a mathematics teacher. The disturbing footage triggered emotional reactions nationwide, as many Nigerians expressed outrage over the worsening insecurity spreading into parts of the country once considered relatively safer from organized bandit attacks. Governor Seyi Makinde, while addressing the growing crisis, stated that the Oyo government was prepared to engage in dialogue with the abductors if such discussion will help secure the immediate and safe release of the victims. According to him, protecting the lives of the kidnapped children and teachers remains the government's top priority, despite the difficult security situation unfolding in the area. Makinde insisted that the state would not surrender to terror, but will continue doing everything possible to ensure the victims return safely. The governor also disclosed that security agencies, including the Commissioner of Police and other tactical teams, have already intensified rescue operations across the affected communities. However, he noted that certain operational details could not yet be disclosed publicly because of the sensitive nature of the mission and the risks involved in the ongoing rescue efforts. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu also reacted strongly to the attack, describing the killings and kidnapping as barbaric and unacceptable. In a statement released through his special advisor on information and strategy, Bayo Onanuga, the president expressed sadness over the death of one of the hostages and extended sympathy to Governor Makinde, the Oyo State government, and the affected families. Tinubu further revealed that the Inspector General of Police is personally coordinating a technology-driven rescue operation involving tactical police units and the intelligence response team. The president vowed that the perpetrators and all collaborators connected to the attack will be identified, arrested, and made to face the full wrath of the law. He also used the incident to renew calls for state police, insisting that Nigeria urgently requires decentralizing police structures capable of addressing growing security threats in undeserved communities nationwide. Meanwhile, security operations around the affected area have intensified significantly. The Assistant Inspector General of Police in charge of Zone 11 reportedly relocated the operational headquarters temporarily to Obomoso to directly supervise the rescue mission. Security agencies including the Nigerian Army, DSS, police tactical units, Amotekun, agro rangers, and local security formations are now conducting coordinated operations around the forest and border areas believed to be connected to the kidnappers' movements. Police authorities also confirmed that 6 suspects believed to be informants for the abductors have already been arrested. According to reports, the suspects were allegedly tracked through telephone conversations linked to communications with the kidnappers regarding movement routes inside forest areas near the national park. Security sources disclosed that the arrested suspects are currently undergoing interrogation at the State Criminal Investigation Department in Ibadan, as authorities attempt to dismantle the wider network behind the abductions. The crisis has also triggered visible fear and tension across schools in Oriri local government area. Teachers staged peaceful protests, demanding the immediate rescue of their colleagues and students, while several schools remained nearly deserted as parents kept children away over fears of further attacks. Some teachers openly admitted they were too frightened to enter school premises following the violent incidents. The emotional impact of the kidnappings deepened further after videos emerged showing some of the adopted teachers and school administrators pleading for help from captivity. In one viral video, an adopted principal appealed directly to the federal government, Governor Makinde, the Christian Association of Nigeria, and Nigerians generally to intervene urgently and secure their release before lives are lost. Another adopted teacher also begged President Tinubu and the Oyo State government to rescue the children, warning that the victims feared for their lives in captivity. Traditional rulers, religion leaders, youth organizations, and political groups have since condemned the attacks strongly. The Oni of Ife described the abduction as heartbreaking and unacceptable, warning that attacks on schools represent a direct assault on the future of the country. The Olowu of Iwo also urged the federal government to empower traditional rulers with stronger security support and logistics to help communities respond faster to security threats. The Christian Association of Nigeria condemned the incident as a national disgrace and warned that organized criminal violence is now spreading dangerously into regions once considered relatively secure. Khan expressed frustration over what it described as repeated condolence without decisive action against kidnapping networks and armed groups terrorizing communities nationwide. Meanwhile, Governor Makinde revealed that surveillance aircraft purchased by the Oyo State government for about 7.7 billion are currently being assembled in Lagos and are expected to become operational before the end of June. According to him, the aircraft were acquired proactively to strengthen border surveillance between Oyo, Kwara, and the Republic of Benin long before the current adoption crisis occurred. For many Nigerians, however, the central issue remains painfully urgent. Dozens of children and teachers are still trapped in captivity, while fear continues spreading across communities in Oyo State and beyond. And as rescue operations intensify, the horrifying attack has once again exposed the growing insecurity threatening schools, families, and communities across Nigeria. That's all for now on News Express, and to our amazing viewers, kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. I'm Chidera Eso. Thank you for watching. Do have a beautiful day.